my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking.
What up people, it's Mr. Shot Rider, and in today's video we're talking about the giveaway that I'm doing at 500 subs. I already hit 500 subs, so it's time for a giveaway. So basically I'm gonna pick two winners. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, obviously, because it's a giveaway meant to be secret. And basically to enter you have to like this video, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to comment, what can you comment? Comment me your favorite bike, which is a naked bike. There you go, we're gonna twist up a bit. So comment me your favorite naked bike, and the two winners I'm gonna just pick randomly. I will message you, or you message me on Instagram, and then we can talk from there. So basically, to enter, like, comment this video and subscribe to my channel, and you will be entered straight away. So yeah guys, see you next week when I'll announce the winners. Thank you.